Can a fish sneeze? No. But before you go, technically they can. You see, they don't achoo like us humans when we're clearing out our pipes. To truly sneeze, you must possess two things: lungs and connected noses. Fish don't have that stuff. But what they can do is they can cough to clear their gills. You see, sometimes things can get stuck in the fish's gills, such as sand, parasites, some debris, a nice refreshing can of Miller Lite. To clear the debris, what they do is they inhale, hold their breath, and then blow out real quickly, thus removing all of the debris. So, if you see a goldfish yawning, it might well have a can of Miller Lite stuck in its blowhole.